Oh, bro, where's the chat? Hop out. Then I think I need the music. No. Oh my god, get the fucking music. Where is it? There it is. There we go. There we go. Make me a bit louder. Okay, that's probably better. Okay, I'm gonna get the chat on screen. How did I do it before? It was a display capture, right? I don't remember. Primary? No, it was like a game capture? How do I delete this? Remove. Yes. Application? I feel like it was game capture. No, it's not. Cancel. Remove. Is it a media source? Maybe. No, it's not a media source. Oh my god. Scene, text, video, window, application, video capture? Aha! There we go. I remember, I'm not washed. How do I do this? Like this? You go here. Make you guys wide. There we go. There we go. Oh, I have to get the link to the Discord because someone's gonna ask for it, and I'm not washed. Hello? Hello? Really? No way. I can see my audio. Let me watch my own stream. Dang, really? Dang. Not washed. I can hear myself in my stream. Hello? Hello? Really? Can you hear music? No way. I can see my audio. Let me watch my own stream. Oh shoot, stream's bitrate is lower than recommended bitrate. Let me try upping that. Settings, stream. I can hear myself in my stream. Hello? Hello? Can I change this while recording? Can you hear music? Let's see. Shoot, stream's bitrate is lower than recommended bitrate. Let me try upping that. You sound quiet? Frick. Let me make the music quiet. Can I change this while recording? Let's see. Dude, that's been an issue I've been having constantly. I don't know what is wrong with my sound. You sound quiet? Frick. Hello, is this better? Oh my god, I am quiet. Damn. Listening to myself. Dude, that's been an issue I've been having constantly. I don't know what is wrong with my sound. Okay, let's assume this works. Let's assume this works. I am lazy. Also, hello, is this better? Oh my god, I made myself loud. What the hell? Oh my god, I am quiet. Damn. Listening to myself. Oh my god. Okay, let's assume this works. Oh my dude, I'm so loud. I am lazy. Also, the delay is crazy. Oh my. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. I think I fixed it. There we go. I'm just not gonna change my settings anymore. I'm so done with it. Oh, thank you for helping me. I appreciate that, Surfly. Let's see if this works. So, to-do list. I have to completely change how bombs work because of the change from yesterday, which is kind of annoying, but you know what? That's okay. That's game dev. That's just game dev, you know? That's just game dev. It's so nice that you don't have to like quickly grab bombs now. I really like that. How do you do combos from here? I feel like it's so hard to set up. That's okay. Yeah, so I have a green. Put the green here. Hey, now I got a combo. I really don't like that about the bomb. I gotta change that. Just gotta wait for a blue. How do bombs work? If they aren't blowing something up, they chill, and you can combo now like that, which I really like. I have a new build on the Discord that you can playtest with this change on it. It has a lot of bugs, but I'm lazy and I'll fix those probably right now. I don't like how the hitbox works. Let me do something real quick. Sprite. I need to label my sprite. Let me get a link for the Discord. Invite people. Here we go. Okay, what am I doing? I am... Don't remember. Oh, yes, you... Edit sprite. Let's make you opaque for now. Just want to see what it looks like. So many stuff, so much stuff I gotta do. So little time. It's a bit low, especially the side grab, you know? I think each grab is gonna have to have its own hitbox. Also, why does up have a different hitbox? What does up use? If direct, image angle. What did I do? Oh, that's weird. It's good to see you here, man. It's good to see you here. How does this work? Sprite index. Clearly something's wrong. I don't know what it is. But yeah, I've been having issues with up grabs. I think I need to change how the hitboxes work to align with what I expect. First grab. Grab stuff. Up. Point direction. Block fall. Image index equals held item image index. Destroy. What the heck? Why does up throw do that? Because it makes sense with the smaller hitbox. Where... You guys see that, right? Like when I do anything up, it's using a different hitbox. How do I know which one it is? It's not you. It's not you. Up? Oh, yeah! Yeah, you can just pick. Oh, yeah. Why does up and up diagonal have different hitboxes? I don't remember. I genuinely don't remember. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna have to make some changes. I think we're gonna need a side hitbox because side grabbing is weird. But also, I think up grabbing could use some work too. Let's just look at the hitboxes, see how they look. I think all the down grabs are perfect. It's just side grabbing needs to be taller. And diagonal grabs are kind of small. Yeah, let's get those changed. So first off, up grab. Up and up diagonal need to be wider. Let's add an extra like 1, 2, 3, 4 on each side, maybe? No, let's do 5. Let's do 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just real mundane stuff today. There we go. Up done. Up diagonal. I think up and up diagonal should be the same. They're literally the same. They're actually just the same. So let's go to search results. U. Up diagonal, no longer used. There we go. Also, let's just get rid of this entirely. And now it's if temp angle equals 0 or 180. Instead of, oh, this is gonna sound so stupid. This is so stupid. Oh my god. How do I do this? Oh no, this is annoying. Oh, this is annoying. Can I change the origin of the hitbox? I mean, maybe it's fine. Let's just use up and see how it works for now. This will make side grabs also longer downwards as well, which I don't like. Yeah, you can side grab, and yeah, I don't like that at all. Up grab needs to be longer. But yeah, there's something. Let's change it to side. I don't know what's wrong with this. It needs to be changed. I'm not sure how I do this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. Up needs to be longer, so let's increase the canvas size. Let's do like what, 6, 10? Pixels. This probably won't have consequences. I think it will have consequences if I do like diagonal grabs to grab horizontally, but that's okay. Shouldn't be too bad. Look at the difference between up and diagonal grab. What the hell's going on? Oh, I know what's going on. I know what's going on. There we go. It's just side grabs that I need to fix. I don't know how to fix side grabs. Wait, aren't side grabs too long now? Oh yeah, they're way too long now. Whoopsies. I still think it needs to be a touch longer. Yeah, side grabs are screwed. I don't know what to do about side grab. Let's try this. Let's get the hitboxes. Just not sure what I should do with the side grabs. That feels better. I like that. Diagonal grab is crazy now. I kind of like that. There we go. What the fuck? Wait, these are too wide. Oh, it's too wide. Oh no, it's way too wide. So 6 is too much. Let's -2 on each side. Oh, what? Ooh. That's okay. Oh, what? You can still grab horizontal. Oh, I don't like that. No, it's only 2 wider. It kind of sucks, but whatever. Guess it's just how it has to be. There we go. It's kind of jank, but as long as it works, can't really complain. Oh, hello. Hello. Streaming. Just gotta figure out. What do I gotta figure out? I mean, I gotta fix how the bombs work. Because the bombs were not good. It's definitely the main thing I gotta do. What else do I gotta do? Oh, hello. Hi, Bridge. Wait. Just fixing some hitboxes. Side grab is weird. Needs to be higher. Can I? Let me check. Can I change that? Search results. You. What do these do again? Make hitbox. We have owner, timer, follow, direction. Ugh. Yeah, let's just add a new thing. Okay, at the very end on make hit, it's gonna be argument 8. It's annoying, but whatever. Now, MG hit 2 is gonna need. Okay, there we go. Now, when you do a side grab, it will X. Is it X and Y? Yeah, X and no shoot, X and X. 0, and then the Y will change by oh shoot, minus 12, maybe 12 pixels up. Let's see if this works. Then hit 2 needs to shift itself based off its X to X equals. There we go. Plus X diff plus Y diff. There we go. Let's see if this works. Please work. Please work. I don't want to think anymore. Please work. That's better. That does work. Nice. Where am I? Should go player, I think? No, hit 2. What am I doing? I'm throwing. Sprite 5. That's correct. Let's make this 16, maybe? 18? 18 call it, I think. Let's try this out. There we go. This feels better. I think it feels fine. Wait, what? Wait, you can fly this entire time? You can just fly in this game? Wait, why did I never know? How come I never knew about this? If I leave this in? It's kind of sick. It's kind of sick! Wait, you can fly? Oh, I think it's because I increased the range. That makes it, like, doable. I kind of want to leave this in. It's kind of sick. What? So I think you need all the momentum. Do you time it? Is it like a timing thing? How does this work? I think you just mash. I'm leaving this in. This is so funny. I gotta leave this in. Oh, it doesn't make sense. But at the same time, it's a puzzle game. I feel like it's okay. No, it's not a puzzle game. It's a falling block game. I think it's okay to have some jank. As long as it's funny. Yeah, you need momentum. Alright. I'm leaving it in. It's sick. Wait, dude, did you see that? I like wall jumped and then started doing it the other way. That's so sick. That's so sick. I need space. I need space. Okay, I'm gonna do it. It's like you wall jump. Yeah, it's not that useful because you can just wall jump anyways, right? So I imagine it being like that. Yeah, like that. I think you'd mostly use it like that. That's kind of sick. Ooh. It actually messes with your speed though. So while you get height, you don't get speed. I think you have to do it twice for it to be useful. Like that. But like, you see there, I lose all my speed. So I'd have to like back throw after. Like that, maybe? Feature. I think it is a feature. Okay. This is... Do I care? I don't care anymore. I'm just gonna spoil it. Okay, I want secrets in this game. Secret ideas. Secret ideas. Notion. Let's just do it here. New page. Let's just do it in a text document actually. New text doc. Rename. Here we go. Fishing minigame? What are the other options? What other options do we have? I want, maybe, I've been thinking like maybe, oh my god, what did I do? What? Oh, whoopsies. I've been thinking like, what if I had a crack at the bottom? Konami code? That could work. Crack at the bottom. If I blow things up here in the bottom right corner, this brick slowly starts to break, right? And if you do that like 50 times, the brick breaks. And then something happens. There's a hole here. I never want someone to be able to do it by accident though. That's the issue. It would have to be very deliberate. Maybe like you'd have to blow up a bomb with the bomb specifically on this tile. So it would have to be like this. Has a Konami code? Sick. Sick. Do you think anyone would do that by accident? And you'd have to do it like 10 times. No one is doing that by accident, right? No one is doing that by accident. And then once you have that, a hole opens here and you can just like walk in, right? And then is that where the fishing minigame is, you think? Do that like 3 times or something? Is that a train? Is that a Damn. Shit. Yeah, it's probably cool. I'm just worried about like, what I mean by accident, I mean is like, what if someone's like trying to play for high score, you know? And they already know about the secret? It's not consistent. I'd feel bad. Oh, maybe if like... Oh, what if there was the bomb block? Oh! Bomb block. I really gotta make that bomb block, don't I? Ooh, let me up the text. Okay, let's do bomb block then, so I can do the secret. Sprites. Let me just like take one of these. Duplicate. I have to edit my artist sprites. Hopefully they don't mind. Oi, what are these? Get these out of here. And then what color will you be? You will be orange? Sure. Let's just make it like, let's make it pink for now, just so it's distinct. So you always know what it is. There we go. It's my OC for real, for real. There we go. This is a bomb block. It's very clearly a bomb block. Yes. Turn it off after they get it the first time. That could work. That could work. Like it just appears in the pause menu. Turn off secrets. Middle center. There we go. I think I trim these as well. Image. How do you trim? Image. Auto trim all frames. There we go. So if is pow is block fall. So there's now is bomb. Is bomb a YouTube no word? Am I allowed to say that in shorts? It's not a plane. It's not an airport. It'll be okay. Yeah, I could say it. I could say it. It's fine. Okay, is bomb. And if you're a bomb, and step. Oh, shoot. Definitely not. No, I cannot. Is bonus? What the hell's spread 18? Oh. Spread 12? What am I doing? This doesn't do anything. Am I stupid? I have a bomb. Am I stupid? What am I doing? Spread 18, image index, mult times 1.1. Yeah, you're probably right. It's probably fine. What am I doing? How does this work again? Because it's sprite 27, right? How does it know? Wait, what? Yeah, 18's that one. 12 is that one. Do I not use this object? Yes, I do. What? Image index, just sprite. I'm not going crazy, right? Oh, wait, no, they draw the old ones. I remember. Oh, yeah. Dude, I'm stupid. What am I doing? What am I doing? I can just do this, right? Yeah, okay. That was easy. $37 underscore 1 image index xy mult. There we go. So every once in a while you get the bomb block. Let's just make it so that all of them have is bomb equal 1. See how it looks. I think the bomb just blows up a 3x3. Oh yeah, they don't have eye angles. Oopsies. Create. Whoopsies. Wow, this thing's ugly. I love you can't tell what color it is. That was red. Alright. If I got a bomb block, now I play it. That's green. I need a more distinct color. Let's just change this color again. What color am I not using? Purple. I'm not using orange. There we go. Should I use gray? She's gray. Whatever. There we go. Use a mustache. Because he's evil. I don't know. There we go. Yeah, okay, so every once in a while you get a bomb block. Bomb blocks just destroy in 3x3 grid, right? Let's make it a 4x4. That'd be funnier. Okay. You know what? I should not be doing this right now. Let me just fix the braking system first. Because the current braking system is bad. It's really bad. So how does the current braking system work? Oh my god, I wanted to make a new I wanted to make a new game mode. When you place something down, the act of placing down causes the check. I think it should just check every frame. Yeah, it should just check every frame. Is that okay? I kind of like it checking only when things get placed. Let's shoot every frame. Yes, I know what you're talking about, EXO. It was less of an intended glitch and more of just like the way the game was programmed, and I was too lazy to fix it. But I'm addressing it right now because in order to fix it, I have to like redo the entire system, which is annoying, but I gotta do it. So it's like whatever. Yeah, I'm doing it right now. Just have to redo the entire system. Appeared on a live stream. Hello. Yeah, I'm kind of dragging my feet on it a little because I am EP. But I'm always EP. So I think maybe it's okay. Oh, you can fly, by the way. You can fly, by the way. It's so sick. It's kind of hard. You need speed. How's your experience with GameMaker? What do you think flowed well? What do you get away with making your project? GameMaker good. Upsides of GameMaker? GameMaker easy. Yeah. Upsides of GameMaker, GameMaker easy. Downsides of GameMaker, you can't do 3D. If you don't want to do 3D, just use GameMaker. GameMaker good and easy. But if you want to do 3D, then you have to learn something else. It's just that's it. I think like it is by far the best program, so long as you don't want to do 3D. Yeah, it is its only downside. It has some 3D stuff, but it's bad and not worth the effort. But yeah, I don't know. I just like, it's so easy. That's the thing. Like programming hard. And like, why would you spend all your time, lose all your hair, learning all this hard stuff when you could be carried? I love being carried. Being carried is the best. God, I love being carried. Yeah. It just lets you prototype fast, and like prototyping fast is more valuable than like most things. Missed one stream, got a new playtest, and that was very different. Yeah. I was working on the game when I took a break from streaming. It was just I didn't do too much though. I was mostly just like focusing on YouTube shorts. Unreal has no programming? Yeah. I know Unreal's like kind of tricky though. Even though you can dodge all the programming. But that is nice. I know there's some people who just really are really intimidated by programming. Even though it's really not that bad. It's fine. What am I doing? Just wanna fly. It's so inconsistent. Why is it inconsistent? Yeah, I feel like really, I think you have to be max speed. It has no requirements for it, but it's there, but you don't really need it to do most stuff. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about blocks, because on one hand, it's nice. On the other hand, I feel like, I don't know, it's I guess Unreal is different though. I know it's better in Unreal. I'm very biased because GameMaker blocks are doo-doo dog water, and they keep trying to push it, and it's like, it's not that bad, but it's not good, and it's like not easier than programming. So why even push it that bad, or that much? Does doing combos actually give more score? It doesn't right now, but it should in the future. I'm just trying to figure out the exact formula for score, but I'm lazy. But try to get HUD UI. Oh yeah, no, the UI stuff is awful. You're right. I forgot about that. Most programs have like extra stuff for UI except GameMaker. It just doesn't. Each system learned independently. Oh, that's good to know. Yeah, it's UI stuff too. I forgot to bring that up. UI is also awful for GameMaker. UI bad. UI bad. I hear that so much. Whenever someone who used GameMaker tries something else, they're just so happy that there's like dedicated UI features that makes making UI not miserable or less miserable. But honestly, making UI is always bad. So it being bad in GameMaker, I feel like isn't that bad. Because it always sucks. Everyone hates making UI. Really well made. Easily the best grade. Oh shoot. I should probably learn it more then. I should probably like put more time into it then. Did not put that much time. I think I tried learning Unreal, got intimidated, and quit. I was just like, fuck this. I'm going back to GameMaker. Honestly, I have heard good things about Blueprints. I've heard so many good things about Blueprints. I like the idea of it. Man, I don't know. But then there's another part of me that's like, I could learn something new. Or I could use GameMaker, which I already know. And I like GameMaker. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I was redoing the block stuff. Let's go do that. Man, I gotta redo the block stuff. Okay, how do I do this? How does it work again? It's like when a falling block falls, it triggers its event 0, right? No, it doesn't. Wait, what? To create incredibly really easily. Oh my god, I wish GameMaker had something like that. I wish. What am I doing? How does this work? Here. So, are the jump physics different now? Probably. Are they? I don't remember, dude. I don't remember. It's been so long since that build. I think I buffed the Force of Nature jump. I think this is better now. I think I'm changing wall jump. I might have actually done a few changes to wall jump, but it's like very subtle. Outside of that, I don't think so. I don't remember changing anything. I definitely changed Force of Nature jump. It's better now, I think. Is it? I don't remember. I feel like it is. I can't tell if it actually is or I just got better at using it. I genuinely don't remember what I changed. I stopped keeping track. I don't keep track. If I was streaming, I could just go back to streams. Go to older streams. Maybe going back. Yeah, if you just want to do 2D stuff, Game Maker good. Be carried. I love being carried. You would you go to the best Smash player and be like, yeah, they're good, but they're playing the best character, so they don't deserve it. No. Be carried. I love being carried. Be carried. Pick the best option. And Game Maker easy. I love Game Maker. I love Game Maker. More cartoony. Oh yeah, just squash and stretch. You like jiggle now. Yeah, it's just a jiggle. I didn't change the actual physics. It's just the jiggle. She jiggle now. I sound silly? Frick. If only I sounded cool. Well, that's okay. If only I sounded cool. I always wanted a British accent. Those are cool. Those are cool. That's okay. What am I doing? Oh yeah, the bomb stuff. Okay, so this triggers every time something falls. So I think what needs to happen is this needs to trigger every frame. Let's grab this. Let's go to manager, and it's messing with me, but it feels like it leaves the ground later than usual. You're cool. British accents are cool. They're so cool. They're so cool. Canadian. Derogatory. There are Canadian accents, but like, even then, like when you talk to Canadians, like very, very few people, even like native Canadians, have the accent. Like it's only really present in like Eastern Canada and like rural parts of Canada. Outside of that, everyone just has like the default English accent, which kind of sucks. What the fuck am I doing? Where does this go? Do I just put it in? I need to stop thinking of like where this stuff goes. Just put it in. Just put it in, man. Just put it in. There you go. Done. Call it a day. You get rid of this. Whoopsies. Okay, let's see if this lags. Sorry. All nouns, insults. Does this lag? Oh, it's not lagging. Let's go. It's not lagging. So now it should work. What? User event 1. So it's always doing user event 1. I think it needs to not care about break color anymore. What's break color? Break color. Security U. Was this it? I think it's it. Let's try. But yeah, I don't know. It's weird. Oh, did I just dox that I don't live in Eastern Canada? Oh my god, I did. That like... What the hell? Come on. Come on. Come on. Force to check the entire grid. Grid length. Find something that is POW with grid I J user event 2. So if something is POW, it will activate its user event 2, which is... Wait, what? Block. User event 2. Check. POW destroy check. Generic American accent. Narrowing it down. No, they're triangulating my location. Did destroy check. How did destroy check equals? Oh, so it only checks it once. Oh, so I think every frame I need to... Yeah, okay. How do I do this? Yeah, I think you're right. It is generic American accent. You're new here? Hello? Hello, I'm programming. What am I doing? don't remember. Oh, yeah, it's this thing. Step events. You. Every frame, you need to, with blocks. Block. Did destroy check. So everything will do their destroy. I did. Destroy check equals 1. There we go. You want the Discord? It's in here. I'll send it again. There we go. I don't have that stuff set up. Where the music? Is it too quiet? I'll make it louder just for you. There we go. Should I? Do it, coward! Make the damn game! Why isn't it blown up? Come on! What the fuck? Hidden use copy button. God damn it. Why isn't it blown up? Okay, your did destroy check equals 1. Oh, should it equal 0? Wait, what? How does it work? Block fire. Oh, yeah, it equals 0. There we go. You literally can't hear it? I'll make it louder again. No worries. No, just for you, man. Just for you, man. Is it too loud now? It's hard. It's hard. I don't know how to mix sound right. It's really hard. Bro, why isn't it destroying? What is going on? Okay, let's look at this again. Okay, so I'm in the player. I'm in the man. I'm in user event 1. Check destroy. Go through every block. Go through POW blocks. POW blocks do user event 2. User event 2 on a POW block is POW destroy. We're inside here. We're inside here. Oh, I see an issue. Okay, I see an issue. And then everyone does a user event 2, right? Making videos. I studied a bunch of short streamers and copied what they did, which is kind of lame, but like you gotta do it. I'm loud? Okay, I make myself quieter. Then I make music quieter, maybe? I don't know, man. I don't know, man. How do you make shorts? Yeah, you study better shorts YouTubers. And then you copy what they do. Just try to make what they make. So like my first video was pretty bad. It was this one. Why can't I scroll down? Am I doxing myself? I don't think this has anything. Day one of making a platformer 3 lines of code at a time. 3 lines of code a day, and only 30 characters per line. Definitely gotta get rid of these. Oh, this video sucks. Only doing this in like 1 line of code maybe. So I've used up all 3 lines already. I think this is only 26 characters, which gives me 4 characters here and 4 characters here. I have to get player. To become Bing, you have to win a Ludwig game jam. It didn't really help me for clout. It was just nice to get the money to make a game. I can get rid of 2 characters if I do this. Oh shoot! Oh wait. I can do up. I can do up. I need X plus equals. Oh crap. Oh, I used Firefox back then. Can I do like R equals and then just on the next line? This works? No way, you can do this? Dude, this challenge was fun. 31. No! It's 31 characters. I want to make a video. You know what? I think this would work as a video. I think as a... You gotta leave? Alright, later, man. As a short, it just doesn't work. I don't have time. No hook. No hook, no nothing. But then the thing I studied Trip Rainy a lot. Rainy. So Trip Rainy was the first guy I studied. Next guy was Deejus. Deejus is really good. I think Trip Rainy, they're good, but they're not like amazing as a shorts YouTuber. I just think it was really nice to study them because they make specifically game dev ones. Their videos are still better than mine. I need to study. Get back in the lab. But yeah, they did I copied their subscriber to code thing. And it was okay. Deejus is really good. I think which short was it? Which short was it? It was the not you, not you, not you. It's the fan art one that I really like and I study. This one.
This game has been ruining the lives of all of my friends.
Nah, wrong one, wrong one. This game is evil, blah 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 blah. Oh, that video was good. I don't know. I think I really like his scripts. They're really well made. I don't know. I think like I don't know. When I first made shorts, I kind of like didn't think too highly of them, but after studying them, oh my god. Oh my god. The artistry that goes into them is crazy. Brazil. Yeah, this video is insane.
I'm getting gatekept like crazy right now, and I'm pissed about it. Especially because it's not like I'm getting gatekept by like a guy or a fandom or anything. No, I'm getting gatekept by the nation of Brazil.
How, like, dude, this video is so good. It's so well made. I love it. It's actually really well made. But yeah, like find short YouTubers you like, study their formula, study how they structure their videos, and I'd go off from there. Yeah, I need to work on my videos more. Being held back by my video editing, but I suck at video editing. Brazil. I got big box. Oh, you're an artist? That's sick. Oh, okay, back to work, back to work. Ah! So, image index equals image index. That's correct. Grid length, LBGMan, XY. They do it. Yeah, this makes sense. This makes sense. To destroy. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, I think you just gotta get through the bad videos you make, sadly. But that's okay. Nothing wrong with that. They're all at 0, right? This one's at 1, but the rest aren't. Interesting. Why is that? I'm gonna use this reference for if I make videos for your first ever video. Why would you do that? Why would you do that, Axo? Why would you? Why my video? Go work. I need to go now. Dinner time. Alright. Have a good day. You should add a Polywog Easter egg? Maybe. Maybe. I don't know if Hololive would be okay with that. Maybe, though. What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh, yeah, the dude just tries to... Why doesn't this work? Come on. What am I doing? Block. Check POW. Okay, image index equals... Oh, it's this stupid line. Ugh. Get out of here. There we go. This should work now. Nice! Nice. So now, if I do this... Nice. It works. It's intuitive. Must game dev. No, you can't game dev when you're tired. Go to bed. You have to take care of yourself, sadly. You gotta go to bed, dude. Stop grinding. You can't grind when you're tired. Oh, you have deadlines? Never mind. Go burn yourself out. Yeah, dude. I don't know. Like, on one hand, I'm more productive with deadlines. On the other hand, I, like, burn myself out every time. So it's, like, it's not even that much more productive, I feel. Because it's, like, fake productivity. Is that true? I don't know. I don't know. Productivity's hard. It's really hard. Nuh-uh. You know, I'm changing the music. I'm changing the music. We're going back to the classics. Let's go. Graphics editor. Cause you hate yourself? Go get him then. Go get him. Do 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 do. Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? Okay, no, it doesn't work like that. Nice. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, this works. Anything else I need to do? Wait, was that it? Is that actually it? Does this just work now? Huh. That was easy. A lot easier than I thought it'd be. What the fuck? Oh, are they always set as 1? Oh, they are. And they only destroy when if this destroys. Oh, okay, okay. I gotta fix that. Okay, so you only set your own destroy to 1 if you're adjacent. Okay, yeah. This should work. Maybe, you think? So it's 0, 1. Nice. 0. Jason. Wait, what? Yeah, it works. Nice. Okay, let's get a second orange. Need a second orange. Yellow. Yellow. Bro, am I colorblind? Oh my god. I'm turning blind. I'm old. Blind and old. My youth. Waiting for a yellow. There we go. Yes, it works! Combo. What am I doing? My youth? At least another few months. Yeah. Yeah. Out of the area? Yeah. I think I need to add a roof to the game. Oh, I had this idea. I don't know if it's good, but I had an idea where if you threw a block straight up high enough, I'll do it later. I'll fix the score routing later. That's a nice Wario's Woods. Thank you. I've never played Wario's Woods. Looks cool though. But yeah, I had an idea where I'd add a ceiling to the game that's like off screen. And if you hit a block into the ceiling, it would re-roll the color of the block. So if I didn't like this green, I could like, or if I didn't like this purple, I could like here, and then it would re-roll to a different color. I don't know if that should be a thing though. It's kind of insane, but it's kind of sick. But it's kind of insane. Kind of sick though. Waluigi's Forest. That'd be sick. Gambling. Bomb block. I remember. So every time you make a bomb block, let's just make like a 1 in 100. 1 in 100 chance to make a bomb block. What am I doing? Bomb block. Okay. When do you make bombs? Oh, there, the one I labeled to make bomb. Block fall is pow if. Let's make a variable called do make bomb. Equals 1. There we go. Is bomb equals 1? What do I do if is bomb equals 1? I'm not sure. Is bomb equals 1? We should make it a bomb. So when a bomb lands, fall. Check destroy. Use event 2 with the block. With the phantom blocks? I think so. It hasn't happened to me, but it might still be in the game. I genuinely don't know. I hope it's fixed. Hope it's fixed. Is POW. Oh, I'm stupid. This is gonna be annoying. Let's get rid of the is prime stuff. This stuff is stupid. Enter restyle still messing up? Is it? Shoot, let me check. Let me check later in a bit. Give me a sec. Oh my god, there's so many stupid things I have to do. Bomb here. Bomb here. Come on, come on, come on. You? No, it works, whatever. Okay, let's see. Does it really? I thought it fixed that. Is it if like you're holding something? Is the game lagging? Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know, man. Oh, yeah, I don't know what to do about that. I'll probably put it in like the pause screen and then do it later. I don't know. I'll do it when I do all the pause screen stuff. For now, other features. I love making features. EP. Okay, there we go. It works. Player, man, what am I doing? It's when you make bomb. Let's just do it like this for now. I ran 3 equals 0. There we go. Let's see if this works. That's a normal bomb. Nice. Bomb. So the default bomb or the special bomb, how it will work, that's fine. How special bomb will work is that it'll just blow up in a 4x4 grid, I think? Not 5x5. So is bomb. What? What? There we go. Let's see if this works. I mean, accidentally pressing it changes a different key would work, like R or something. Yeah, probably should. Just do it later. Just do it later. Just want to do it later. A lot of things I gotta do. EP. So EP. There we go, bomb. It stays a bomb, right? Nice. It does have a color though. Yeah, it does have a color. That's okay. So when you place down the bomb, manager, go check destroy, go through everything. Is a POW equals 1. Enter to, it's just changing it. Enter to R. Alright. I'll do it. I'll do it right now, just for you. Key press, right? Key press. R, there we go. Spaghetti, let's go. Good puzzle. What should you do then? Study different game maybe? I'd probably look into other games, see how they structure stuff. Yeah. How I've been structuring puzzles is usually I do like, what am I doing? Need a sprite. File, new. You like list out your mechanics. So you have like 1, you have 2, and you have 3, and you have 4. But you also, not just mechanics, but also like things you can do with the mechanic. And then, you also do like, let's do 5 and 6. Oh, it's too small. Canvas size. Let's do 2 hunjo. Let's do 2 hunjo as well. And you have level 1, and level 1 would be just 1 by itself, or 2 by itself. Then level 3 could be like 1 plus 2. 3 plus 4. 5 plus 6. You get what I mean though, right? It's like 1 plus 3 now. 1 plus 4. And this is how you get like really interesting levels with less. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 4. So long as your mechanics play well with each other and you can like make them interact with each other in a test room, you got lots of puzzles for free. What am I doing? Bomb. Check destroy. If. That is bomb. With grid event user 2. Now to be 3. User event 3. Bomb. Dest check. There we go. That's the first thing I'm working on. We're trying to introduce a new mechanic nicely. Yeah. But like, if you can make the new mechanic interact with the other mechanics in the test room, it'll be okay. You gotta go? Alright, have fun with your spaghetti. It'll be okay. But then, like, you test it out. It's fun in the test room, but it's not fun in the actual game. You want to cry, and it sucks. And it makes me cry. But that's okay. I don't know. It's hard. What am I doing? Block. Oh, yeah. How do I do this? How do I do this? I think you don't even do the destroy check, right? Wait, what? Oh, shoot, you do. So, it's just... Let's just destroy. Instead of recursively doing user events 2, you just set their thing to destroy. There we go. I think. Oh shoot. Let me get these back. There we go. Nice. And then my own do destroy equals 1 as well. And this should destroy everything in a plus minus. Plus minus. This is kind of... I don't know how I feel about this. But it should work. It should work. Should work. Is there a better way of doing this? There has to be, right? There has to be. I feel like I'm being really stupid right now. There has to be a better way. Just something really obvious I'm missing. Can't I just go through every block in existence? Why aren't I doing that? Why am I doing it like this? Oh, it doesn't even work. It doesn't even work. It doesn't even work. That's okay. Just get rid of this. Alright, they're all bombs. Is bomb, check destroy, if is bomb equals 1, that's correct. User event 3. Block, user event 3, bomb check. Why aren't you working? Why aren't you working? Come on. What's going on? What's going on? What am I doing? What am I doing? Maybe? Maybe it's like this? No. They all do the check, not the actual destroy. Now to user at 1. The very top. Set there. Not equal no one. Set there do destroy equals 1. Activate user event 3. Do destroy equals 1. Show underscore do message here, maybe? I don't fucking know. Ooh, that's cool. Colors some other objects. Colors. Colors. Why isn't this working? I need to change the song. Goodbye song. Oh, I like this. I like the shop one. Do destroy equals 1 equals 1. This is the only thing that sets it to 0, right? Huh. Maybe add a double jump, color stuff. The only thing I could think of off the top of my head would be like color mixing, you know? 0, interesting. Color mixing. What other kinds of mechanics could you do? I don't know. So none of their do destroys are getting set. Interesting. I wonder why. Let's just get rid of this. This doesn't make any sense. Did destroy tech? Yeah, that doesn't make any sense, but screw it, why not? I'm lazy. Oh my god, that worked? What did I even do? It's 1. Okay, it works. I don't know why it's working. Okay, let's think. Mine equals 1, so I know this code is activating, because that's activating. Oh, I'm stupid. Brain small. Whoopsies. Okay, I gotta change how this works. But this should work. Eh? Oh, it's because it's also a POW block, right? So I gotta make sure it's just... Oh, I'm stupid. Indoor like portal. Colors, portal. What? Are these POW blocks? What? Why are they destroying all the same color stuff? What are they destroying? Why is it destroying like everything? What? What? I need to think. Okay, wait, what? Your is POW equals 0, but your is bomb equals 1. So let's just have the block draw that real quick. Draw. It's not a POW, otherwise I'd be drawing this actually. It's a bomb. We know it's a bomb, we know it's not a POW, right? Wall jump. Indoor. Yeah. So what's it doing? Okay, let's just make it destroy itself for now. So maybe this code just doesn't work. You're destroying yourself. Always destroy yourself. At least. I mean, this does work. Not well, but it works. Maybe I should just have it. Maybe I should just do this. Let's try this. Let's just do the destroy here. This can cause a bug maybe, but screw it, why not? With man. Go through every grid. If your X and Y are within, destroy yourself. If I'm not empty, and I is IJ, and I is greater than other dot Y, greater than other dot is -2, and less than other -+2. Don't do this. IJ0, correct. With OBJ block. If you're above, do that. Correct. Repeat. Make smoke. Correct, 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 correct. Okay, let's just see if this works. Hmm. $21. Check. XY. Am I using? No, I'm not. But what check? It's grid IJ. IJ equals 0. Does not equal no one. Do destroy equals 1. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bit of tweaking? Hmm. Dun. Then we're called there, at least 5 on top. Bit of tweaking? Alright. Good luck on that puzzle bridge. Seems cool. What am I doing? Why isn't that working? Okay, let's go back to the block. Go through everything in the grid. Honestly, just destroy everything. Just destroy everything. Let's see if this works. IJ does not equal no one. That X if with OBJ block. If my X and Y. Yeah. So this should work. It should work. Let's see why it doesn't. It doesn't. 21 again. 3 for OBJ block? What? Unable to find the object. Okay, so I probably shouldn't destroy stuff. Probably shouldn't destroy stuff here. Yeah, okay, let's just get rid of this. Let's try again. I mean, let's just set everything's do destroy equals 1. Let's try that. Let's try this. I clearly don't know how do destroy works anymore. Oh yeah, it's definitely doing that. Wait, your do destroy doesn't equals 1 anymore. What the fuck am I doing? What is happening? What is happening? What? Oh, grid IJ. Oh, grid IJ dot do destroy equals 1. Okay, let's see if this works. I think someone's having a barbecue near me, and I'm very sad right now. I want barbecue. Okay, that works. That's nice. So clearly, I'm on the right track. 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 So now I only destroy stuff if I'm near it. Dude, this is sick. Okay, what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Okay, it works. Now I just have to check if they're nearby. Okay. Let's see if this works. If my I is within... I is X, right? Yeah, I is X. So if my X is within 2... Destroy. What the fuck? What the fuck? What? What? If I is greater than other dot y minus 2. What? What's my I? That's like x and y again. My Y should be like the Y position. Oh shit! I'm so stupid. I'm so fucking stupid. I'm so stupid. Give me a bomb. There we go, that works. No. I'm so dumb. Okay, but it was funny though. There we go. This should work. We got a bomb, guys! That was so much effort for a stupid bomb. That should not have taken 30 minutes of my life. This should not have taken 30 minutes of my stupid life. It works. Why is it only doing a 3x3 grid? Eh? 2? What? Oh, it should do equals. Okay, I'll just up it to 3. There we go. I don't know if this will be fun. That's the thing that gets me though. I don't know if it'll be fun, but I'll hope it's fun. I like the idea of like boring a hole so you get bigger breaks. That gives a lot of score too. I kind of like the idea of this. Just like something that breaks up the pacing, you know? Give this out as a reward. Yeah, I don't mind this. So every 5 levels you get one of these. And because it takes longer and longer to get to the next level, you'll see them less and less frequently, you know? Oh, it's R now. It's R now. It's gonna screw me over. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Do 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 do. 200. That's crazy. 270. Scores are not exponential enough. They need to scale more exponentially. Okay, there we go. We got bombs! I need a drink. Alright, we got bombs now. I'll talk to the artists. What if it deleted half the, like, Thanos? From Avengers? Maybe. But what I like about the 3x3 grid, or the 5x5 grid, is that you have to be like deliberate with where you place it. You want to destroy as many blocks as possible, which I think is nice. And I feel like it's better to have it do that than destroy the entire board. Because if it destroys the entire board, you're not really thinking about where you place it, you know? Whereas if it destroys a grid, you know where to place it in the right spot, which I think is nice. I don't know. Dun, 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 dun. He had a roof. By chance? I just don't know. It's not destroying stuff in the far. Interesting. What was that? Why wasn't it destroying that? Give me a sec. Why wasn't it destroying that? Was I seeing things or was that an actual bug? Maybe, but I think it's fine as is. The problem is I have to like, this is simple enough where I can just have this with no text and people know how it works, right? But the moment I have to commit the text, it's like, oh god, I don't know if it's worth it. Text is scary. Text is expensive. Not work-wise, but like cognitive space the player has. The game's simple right now, which means I don't have to explain shit, which is so nice. I want it to stay like that if I can. Thanks for the idea, though. I do appreciate it, even though I disagree. I feel like once you have once your game is like simple and works, like anything that disrupts that is scary. Because like simple is so broken. Simple is so broken. You don't have to worry about shit. Life is so easy. Makes life easy. Makes life simple. You don't have to explain anything. Nice and easy. Good design. Love to see it. Love to see it. But then it's complex and it's like, oh fuck, I need a tutorial. I hate making tutorials. Ugh. But if it's simple, you just tell people the controls and you're done. You don't have to worry about shit. What am I doing now? I don't know. I have no idea. I'm just blowing up bombs. This was a point below the block? Honestly, maybe I should. Maybe I should. There's something with the shape. Like, the shape could be better. I'm not sure what the shape is, though. Something could change about the shape. Maybe it should go back to 3x3. I kind of like how elegant the 3x3. Okay, but what I like about it destroying what's on top is that you have to dig. You have to, like, dig a hole to get max value. I think that's sick. Like this. I really like that. I think it's cool. I think it's really cool having to like bore out a hole to get max value. I think it's cool. I'm just gonna leave it on 10. I'm fucking lazy. Alright. We got bomb. Let's go edit my text thing. Goodbye. Pause menu, squish any stuff, fix wall jump. Let's work on the new game mode. I wanted a speed clear mode where... How would it work? I don't fucking know. Where it's like a fast clearing whatever mode. Just because we have the endurance mode, which is the main mode. At least one empty? Yeah. Kind of get what you mean. That does feel a little weird. But is it that weird? I think it's fine. Yeah. Speed clear mode. Because we have the current game mode, which is like an endurance game mode that takes forever, right? So I want another game mode that complements that. I think it's like 3 game modes, I think. Main game mode, where the game fucking ends. Endurance mode, where the game lasts forever. That's what we're playing right now. I think with the main game mode, I don't know if this would mostly be based off the artist. I don't know if the artist is willing to commit to a boss, but if we have time, we could do a boss fight. I do have an idea for how the boss fight could work. Puzzle mode. But so we have main game mode, endurance mode, endless mode, and the big one is like a speed clear mode, where it's like, I don't know how it works. How the fuck would it work? I should just study what Tetris does. What am I fucking doing? What does Tetris do? Tetris game modes. Oh, Tetris 99? If only I knew. Thank you, Google AI Overview. Wait, have you guys heard of this? I'm a baby deer. Where is mama? If you're a baby deer, your mom is likely nearby, but I might be visible right away. She's probably gonna return to nurse you. I love this so much. Okay, anyways. Marathon, time-based challenge is also sprint. Classic, endless, clear lines. Okay, we got that. Set time limit. Ooh. I think I know what you mean. Puzzle mode? That could work. I'm not sure how I could design the puzzles though. Google AI is so dumb. Yeah. I remember I had an issue before where I was searching. It was a couple days ago. I searched something, and then I searched something, and the answer the AI summary gave me was just wrong. It was really annoying. Often inspired by Tetris, the Grandmaster Arcade series, Sprint, where the goal is to clear a set number of lines. Marathon, Sprint is probably a good idea. Just a chill mode, whatever. It's master mode. So I'll probably commit to like Sprint. I like that. So game over. Journey mode. A campaign is stages. Often split to areas. Whatever. Rows. Combo. Many lines where it's possible. Dropping up pieces and clear a line. All clear. Unique spins. Multiplayer. S. Tetris. This could work. Definitely want Sprint. Definitely want Sprint. I think every time you clear in Sprint, it makes a new row. Yeah. Yeah. Makes a new row. Do people like time trial mode? Do people like that? I don't. This is the issue. I don't know much about falling block games. I feel like with other genres, I can just intuit what people want. Oh, dude, I want multiplayer mode. That'd be so sick. If only I knew. If only I knew. If only I wasn't stupid and knew how to do multiplayer. Unreal crashed. Love to see it. We love to see it. I love Unreal. You know what never crashes? Game Maker. Because it's baby coding and everything is baby. Game Maker. Game Maker. Game Maker never crashes. You know I'm liking the bomb block. It's nice. Simple. I'm liking the bomb block. Just now. Did it crash? No, I did I crashed Game Maker like yesterday. What am I saying? But I feel like Game Maker crashes aren't that bad. They're not that bad. They're just weird. Louder, quieter. What am I doing? New game mode. I think those are the maybe 4 game modes. Do I had an idea of a speed clear mode. Not a speed clear mode. That's what I called it in my head. Where it's like instead of a set size, it like scrolls, right? And it's like infinitely deep. And you just have to keep digging. And you just gotta keep digging. You gotta get as deep as possible. In a short amount of time as possible. I like the idea of that game mode. But I think it's 3. Like fast game mode, endless game mode. I think I'm good. There's an issue with this. Let me check. What's going on here? Let's test something. See this empty thing right here? That's why I have to get rid of it. It's causing a white line. Game Maker, stop. I'm such a cutie patooey. Oh my god, thank you. Oh my god. I appreciate that. I'm a little guy. Still causing the lines. Interesting. How'd you fix those again? I remember fixing those. I don't remember how. What did I do? Yeah, I don't remember. Can I call you Pookie? I mean, I guess. What am I gonna do about it? But I thank you though. I appreciate the consent. We believe in consent in this house. We believe in consent in this house. I'm so tired. I'm so fucking tired. Am I done? I think I'm done. We got progress though. I still want that new game mode. I really want the game modes. Yeah, lots I gotta talk about. Anyways, I'm gonna end stream. Sorry to the person who just showed up. Can you first name X and Y? I think it's sick, okay? I'm gonna leave this. Thank you guys so much for showing up to this stream. I appreciate it. I'm gonna go brain rot for a bit because I'm tired and EP. Oh, anyways, later guys.